Look at this.
Oh, perfect. Oh my God.
Isn't it great?
Chris.
I know, it's my dream.
I have goosebumps everywhere. This is out.
Am I selling this? You want somebody to sell you this that's touching your food without no gloves on? You still want it? Yeah, I see it. It's not, it's soft. It's not hard at all. And I baked this for 7 hours. Seven hours on 350. And nothing is hard about this. I'm gonna do a crunch test for y'all. I hope it is pure. I hope it's really pure. I'm gonna do a crunch with y'all once I get all of the. I'm sorry I'm moving slow. Thank you. Thank you.